Hello everyone, Miss Justine here with the Lindenhurst Memorial Library. Welcome today to our Take and Make Craft Feathered Friends. Before I start, showing you how to make your own feathered friend, I thought it'd be kind of nice if I read you a story. And this one is called Hooray for Birds. It's written and illustrated by Lucy Cousins and published by Candlewick Press. And I want to thank the publisher today for allowing us to read their story during our craft. Can you imagine, just for one day, you're a busy bird? Yes, a bird. Hooray! Wonder if you like to be a bird. Kind of cool, right? The sun is up, the sky is blue. Wake up and shout, cock-a-doodle-doo! Imagine you're a rooster and you wake up really early and you have to say cock-a-doodle-doo. Say, wake up everybody. Flap your wings and you can fly higher and higher up in the sky. That'd be pretty cool to be a bird and be able to fly. Hop, 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 peck, peck, peck. Now swim along and stretch up your neck. Can you imagine you're a swan and you're swimming through a pond with your neck held up high? Say hello, darling, then swoop like a starling. Swoop up, swoop down, swoop all around. Ooh, some cool flying moves. Scratch the ground with your feet. Catch a fly with your beak. Oh, I don't know about that. I don't know if I'd like to imagine eating a fly. Stand very tall on just one leg. Can you guys stand up on just one leg like a flamingo? Can you try it? Good job. Say cluck, 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 and lay an egg. Oh, imagine being a chicken and laying eggs. Oh my goodness. Catch a wiggly snake and stretch out your wings. Open your beak and sing. Tra-la-la, tweet, 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 hum, 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 cheep, cheep, cheep. Can you guys sing for me like a bird? Why don't we all try it together? Ready? 1, 2, 3. La la la. Good job. You guys all sounded like birds. Waddle like a penguin in the snow. Penguins are my favorite bird. Can you guys waddle like a penguin? Waddle like a penguin. Run like an ostrich. Go, go, go. Show off your tail and puff up your chest. Then cuddle up close with your mommy in your nest. What a busy bird you've been. The funniest one I've ever seen. You began the day with a cock-a-doodle-doo. Now say goodbye. Toot-toot-woo. Woo-hoo. The end. Wasn't it so cool to see all those different types of birds? And imagine yourself maybe being a rooster or a chicken, running like an ostrich, swimming like a swan. It's pretty cool, right? Well, I think I already kind of told you what my favorite bird would be. I love penguins, but what kind of bird would you want to be? Those are all excellent. So I'm going to show you next how we're going to do our craft with Feathered Friends. So I'm going to put my book to the side. And you all should have received your kits. And inside your kit, you should have gotten 1 toilet paper roll, a bunch of feathers. I only have 1 right here, but you should have a bunch. A little orange square, which is going to be your nose, and 2 googly eyes. And what you're going to need that's not in your kit is you're going to need some glue. And you can use either Elmer's glue or any type of glue. You could use a glue stick, whichever glue you have at home, but that's the only thing you're going to need. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your toilet paper roll and you're going to put some glue on it wherever you want to stick your feather. And I recommend kind of smearing it if you have like a glue jar. If you have a glue stick, you can rub it in. Don't glob it on because it's going to be very messy. And then you just press your feather in. I'm going to add a little bit more glue over here so I can stick my feather down. And there you go. I have my first feather. Oop, I dropped it, my first feather. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when I have all my feathers because I figured you guys don't want to watch me gluing. So this is what it looks like when you have all your feathers. See, I put a little feather on the top for like his head feather. Okay, and then the next step, once all your feathers have dried, is you're going to add a little bit more glue on top of a feather for where you want your eyes. So I'm going to put one eye here, and then I'm going to stick the other eye right here. And I just put a little dot for each spot, and I press down on it, like so. So see, my glue dot was first, and then I pressed it, just like so. So see, there are my two eyes. Now the next is you're going to put another little dot for where you want your nose. Okay, I think I'm going to put my nose right there, and then you're going to press down on your nose. And there you have it, your feathered friend. It's kind of cool, right? What are you going to name your feather friend? I think I'm going to name my feathered friend George. So this is George. So that concludes our Take and Make craft for today. I hope you had a fun time. Stay tuned for more Take and Make craft videos. I'll see you soon. Bye.